y'all needs to hear this out there. One of y'all needs to hear this out there. Honey, it is not too late. The boat has not left. We did not leave without you. You're not behind. The time hasn't run out. Don't need to hurry up and make it to where everybody else is at. Chill, baby, chill. Ain't no race up in this bitch. There are about a badillion other people who also think that everybody else is ahead of them and they're just the one who's behind. You're the one loser who's left. Everybody else has just left you in the dust with their success and integration and happy life. Baby, if your heart is still beating in your little chest like a bird in a cage, looking to get out, then there is still time left for you. You're not a failure. We're not even getting started. We haven't even begun. We're in the prelude. The best is yet to come. Can you feel it in the air? Can you feel it? Can you feel that the best is yet to come? I need you to save this reel, baby. I'm gonna need you to save this reel so you can get hyped up. Hello? Are you there? It's me, a dear friend of yours. Just here to tell you that you still have time. So take a deep breath. It's gonna be all right.